This is our question number 10. So, what is the question number 10? Medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 4 किलोग्राम 500 ग्राम. कुछ मेडिसिन है जो बॉक्सेस में पैक्ड है, ओके, एंड ईच बॉक्सेस वेइंग 4 किलोग्राम 500 ग्राम. एक बॉक्स का वेट कितना है? 4 किलोग्राम 500 ग्राम. हाउ मेनी सच बॉक्सेस कैन बी लोडेड इन अ वैन विच कैन नॉट कैरी बियॉन्ड 800 किलोग्राम. तो ये सारे बॉक्सेस जो हैं वो एक वैन में लोड किए जाने हैं और वो वैन 800 किलोग्राम से ज़्यादा का वेट बियर नहीं कर सकती है, उससे ज़्यादा वो कैरी नहीं कर सकती है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आवर फर्स्ट वर्क इज़ टू कन्वर्ट ऑल द डेटा इन 1 यूनिट. सो वी विल कन्वर्ट ऑल kilograms in gram only. Okay, so what is the solution? The weight of one box is equal to 4 kilogram 500 gram. So first of all I will convert this kilogram in gram. So I will multiply by 1000 because 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So I multiply with 1000 to 4. So I get 4000 gram and this is already 500 gram. So these two will be added up. So I get 4500 gram. What is this 4500 gram? This is the weight of one box. Okay, and now maximum load can be loaded in a van. How much van can carry? Van में कितना सामान आप लोड कर सकते हो? 800 kilogram. So I will convert this kilogram in gram also. So I multiply with 1000. So 800 into 1000 gram. By multiplying 1000 is very easy. There are, sorry for the mistake, there are 2 zeros in 800 and there are 3 zeros in 1000. So I write all these 5 zeros together when you multiply 800 with 1000. So this is actually 8 lakh. And number of boxes, how will you get the number of boxes? The maximum load can be loaded in a van, that is 8 lakh gram, will be divided by the weight of one box. Okay, so I divide 8 lakh by 4500. So now see, this 1 0 will be cancelled out by this 0 and this 0 will be cancelled out by this 0. Now what is remaining? This 8000 is to be divided by 45. Now divide 45, now divide 8000 by 45. This division you have to show in your copy. Now just concentrate on the starting two digits. This is 45 and this is 80. So when you multiply 45 with 2 you will get 90. So I divide it one time, only one time. Clear? One time. So I write 45 and I minus this 45 from 80. So what did I how much I will get? 10 minus 5, I will get 5. Now here 7 will be remaining because 1 is already carry over to this 0. So 7 minus 4 you will get 35. Now see, this is 35 and this is 45. 35 is smaller, so I take this 0 down. I take this 0 here and I write this 0. Okay. Understood? Then 45 350 is to be divided by 45. So now just concentrate on the starting two digits. This is 35 and this is 4. 4 8s are 32. You already know, but if you multiply 45 with 8 you will come to know that 45 into 8 will reward you more than 350. So I will divide by 7. So I will divide by 7. 7 times 7 5s are 35. So I write 5 here. Now 3 is carry over. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28 and 3 will be added up. So it will be 31. Are you getting how did I write this 315? Actually, I write 45 with 7. Multiply with 45 into 7. So I get 315. So I have written 315 here. Clear? Now minus 10 minus 5. 1 will be carry over from 5. So 10 minus 5 you will get 5. Now here 4 will be remaining. 4 minus 1 will give you 3. 4 minus 1 will give you 3, and 3 minus 3 is 0. Now this is again 35 and this is 45, so you cannot divide, so I take this 0 down. So I write this 0 here. Now this is again 350, so I divide 7 times again. Okay, now this is again 7, so I write 315 again. I write 315 again, and I minus this 315. So how much I will get? 10 minus 5. So I will get 5 here, and this will be 4. 4 minus 1. So this is 35. So this is 35 remaining, and 177 full boxes can be loaded. So what is my answer? So what is my answer, class? My answer is, therefore 177 boxes can be loaded. This 35 gram is not asked in the question that how much weight will be remaining. Okay, so this 35 gram will be remaining and 177 boxes can be loaded. Now I move towards the next problem. Next problem is question number 11. The distance between the school and a student's house is 1 kilometer 875 meter. एक स्टूडेंट के घर, हाउस और उसके स्कूल के बीच का डिस्टेंस कितना है? 1 किलोमीटर 875 मीटर. एवरी डे शी वॉक्स बोथ वेज. It means that she goes to the school and she comes back from school to home. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. Okay, so how much distance she covered in 6 days, this we have to find out. I repeat the question once again कि एक स्टूडेंट के स्कूल और घर के बीच की दूरी कितनी है? 1 किलोमीटर 875 मीटर. एवरी डे शी वॉक्स बोथ वेज, मतलब वो स्कूल से घर से स्कूल जाती है और फिर स्कूल से घर वापस आती है. तो 6 डेज में टोटल कितना डिस्टेंस वो कवर करेगी. सो हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द सोल्यूशन? First of all, the distance between the school and the home is 1.875 kilometer. Actually, this 875 can be written as 0.875 and whole can be written as 1.875 kilometer. Okay. Now, what is the distance between home and school? What is the distance between home and school? The same will be for home and school. So, this is again 1.875 kilometer. ओके. नाउ टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इन 1 डे. एक दिन में वो टोटल कितना चलती है? तो दोनों तरफ का डिस्टेंस जो ये है इसको हम ऐड कर देंगे. देन दिस 5 and 5 will 10 0. 1 is carry over. 7 plus 1 8 and 8 plus 7 15 5. Again 1 is carry over. 1 and 8 9, 9 and 8 17. 17 7 I write here and 1 is again carry over, so 1 1 1 will give you 3. Okay. Now what is the total distance covered in 1 day? 3.750 kilometer covered in 1 day. एक दिन में वो टोटल कितना चलती है? 3.750 kilometer. Okay. So how much will she cover in 6 days? How much will she cover in 6 days? For to find that how much will she cover in 6 days, I will multiply this number with 6. I will multiply this number with 6. Okay. So next steps is distance covered in 6 days. So now multiply 3.750 into 6. 6 0 में multiply करेंगे तो 0 आएगा. Okay. Then 6 5s Now multiply with me. Here I write 3.3.750 into 6 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 22,500 आएगा क्लास. ओके, और फिर यहाँ पर 3 digit है, so we write from the left side 3 digits and I put a decimal here. Then what is my answer? Therefore 22 kilometer 500 meter distance covered in 6 days. Okay, now I move towards the next problem. Next problem is question number 12. A vessel has 4 liter and 500 milliliter of curd. एक vessel में कितना curd है? 4 liter 500 milliliter. In how many glasses each of 25 ml capacity can it be filled? एक बड़े से बर्तन में कितना कर्ड है? 4 liter 500 milliliter. और छोटे छोटे ग्लासेस हैं, हर ग्लास की कैपेसिटी कितनी है? 25 milliliter. सो कितने ग्लासेस हम फिल कर सकते हैं? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल capacity of curd in a vessel 4 liter 500 milliliter. Then I convert this liter into milliliter. Like kilogram, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So similarly 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So I multiply with 1000. So what will I get? This will be 4000 and this is already 500 milliliter. So it is 4500 milliliter. Now the capacity of one glass, that is 25 milliliter. So number of glasses, for to find out the number of glasses, I will divide 4500 by 25. So now divide it with me. I divide 4500 by 25. So 25 ones are 25. 25 ones are 25. Now 5 minus 5 will give you 0. Then 4 minus 2 you will get 25. Sorry, 2. So this is 2 0 20 and this is 25. So I cannot divide further. So I take this 0 down. Okay. And if you will multiply 25 with 8, you will get directly 200. 25 8s is actually 200. You can check and multiply by yourself. I am leaving it for you. So 200 minus 200, you will get cancellation here, or you can get a 0. Then now this 0 will be remaining. So this 0 will come down. This 0 will come down and I write this 0 here. Okay. So 25, when you divide 4500 by 25, you will get 180. So therefore 180 glasses can be filled by curd. So we have completed this exercise today.